कृष्ण प्रेम प्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नाम्ने गौरतिसेन। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधु जगतपते गोपीश गोपिका कांत राधा कांत नमस्तुते। तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी विश्वभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। ॐ वृंदावै तुलसी देवै प्रिया वै केशवस्य च कृष्ण भक्ति प्रदे देवी सत्यवत्यै नमो नमः। भक्ता विहीनापराधवक्षै क्षिप्तश्च कामादि तरङ्गमध्ये कृपामयि त्वां शरणं प्रपन्नम्। वृंदे नमस्ते चरणारविन्दम्। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासदि श्री गौरभक्त वृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। So first of all, I offer my humble, respectful obeisances unto lotus feet of my Guru Pada Padma, Nityalila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj, and Nityalila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj. And simultaneously, I offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam Lotus feet of Nityalila Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtadha Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj and all Vaishnava and Vaishnavis and presented all of my respectful guests. Actually, I want to speak about Ratha Yatra and Cart Festival because we are very close to Jagannath Ratha Yatra Maha Mahotsav. So for this regard, so I can start from today and how Lord Jagannath, how Chaitanya Mahaprabhu cleaned the temple of Gundicha temple. And Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami very nicely and elaborately explained this philosophy, Tattva Siddhanta, how an ordinary sadhak clean his heart. Because in our heart, conditioned soul, there are so many kinds of anarthas, unwanted things, lust, anger, enviousness, and also many kinds of name, fame, reputation, love, puja, pradishta, kuti, nati, jeev, himsan, and many kinds of inside in there. So in this context, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu taught to us how to clean our heart. And then Lord Jagannath, means Krishna, he will be sit our clean heart, pavitra hridaya. And because if our heart is full of dust, so how Lord will be sit in there? And so Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in this lila, he also explained this philosophy. So Chaitanya Chaitamritam, Madhya Lila, and 12th chapter, and Dadas Parichet, 12th chapter, he explained and about Gundicha Marjan Lila. And Gundicha Mandira Atmana Brindai Sammarjan Skalanata Sagauram Sachit Sachitta Sitala Samujjalancha Krishna Puvesu Kachakaram. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu took all his eternal associates and cleaned the Gundicha temple, and and also the Gundicha temple completely neat and clean, and as like and crystal, and where we can reflect our heart and atma also in there. And so here also explain the Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and in this way he cleaned the temple of Gundicha, and where Lord Jagannath will sit in the temple of Gundicha. That means Lord Jagannath, he is going Jagannath temple to Gundicha temple. This is the tradition of Jagannath Puri. And thousand years before, same tradition is going on. And Lord Jagannath, once a year, he comes out and he gives darshan all to the fallen living entities. And then he goes to Gundicha temple, and 9 days he is staying in there. Then after 9 days, again he returns back to Gundicha temple to Jagannath temple. But Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu just little bit changed the mood. Same tradition is going on, but Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu just changed the mood. And Mahaprabhu is thinking, Gundicha temple, that is called Vrindavan and Sundarachal and Vrindavan. Or Jagannath temple, that is called the Dwaraka or Kurukshetra. That means Krishna, he is going Kurukshetra to Sundarachal, Vrindavan. And that means this place, Jagannath temple, Dwaraka, that is called opulence place. And now Krishna, he is going opulence place to Madhurya Dham, Vrindavan. Vrindavan is full of sweetness, Madhurya Dham, where gopis, Jabuna, Giriraj, Govardhan, everything's in there, and that is called the best place of Krishna's place, and Krishna always will be happy in Vrindavan. Mahaprabhu also explained, Aner mon more mon Vrindavan, mone bone এক করি জানি, তাহাতে তোমার পদদ্বয় করাহ যদি উদয়, তবে তোমার পূর্ণ কৃপা মানি. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said other mind is called so-called mind, but my mind is non different from Vrindavan. So hey Krishna, you mercifully manifest your lotus feet in my Hriday Vrindavan, the temple of my the temple of Vrindavan. This is my heart, Hriday Mandir, Hriday Mandir temple of my heart, Vrindavan. Because Vrindavan is always sweet. Brajavasis, the spontaneous love and affection with Krishna. And other place full of opulence, but Lord is not pleased, then Krishna is pleased in the place of opulence. So that for this regard, Krishna, he goes from Dwaraka to Vrindavan, and gopis, and they are very spontaneous. They have love and affection with Krishna, and especially they have relationship with Krishna as like their family's member. Lokik Sadbandhuvat Priti. Because Raktapatrak are there, they also serve to Krishna with their servitual mood, Dasya Bhav. Subal Siddham, they serve to Krishna with their friendship mood. That is called Sakhabhav, Nanda Jasoda, they serve to Krishna and as like their parental mood. Our gopis, they serve to Krishna with their highest paramur mood, that is called Parakya Bhav. Jaya Jaya Jalo Rasa Sarvo Rasa Sar, Parakya Bhavi Jatha Brajit Prachar. There are so many rasas in our Shastra explain, but Parakya Brajaras, the paramount mood of Braj, that is the topmost. Um, so here Krishna, he is releasing many kinds of different moods from the heart of Brijvasi, and especially Braj Gopis when they did man, abhiman, anger mood, and use many harsh words. Krishna is very eager to listen. They are these types of sweetness mood. And so now coming in this way, the day before Ratha Yatra, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, very humble, he also asked all the devotees, and I have to clean the temple of Gundicha temple. Jai Jai Sri Gaura Chandra Nityananda, Jai Advaita Chandra Jai Gaura Bhakta Vrinda, Jai Jai Sri Vasadi Gaura Bhaktagan, Shakti Deha Kore Jana Chaitanya Varnan, Purve Dakhin Haite Prabhu Jabe Aila, Tari Milite Gajapati Utkantita Hoila, Kata Hoite Patri Dila Sarvabhauma Thai, Prabhu Agga Hoy Jadi Dekhibare Pai, Bhattacharya Likhila Prabhu Aggana Hoila, Punaravi Rajatare Patri Pathaila, প্রভুর নিকটে আছে যত ভক্তগণ মোর লাগি তা সবারে করিয়া নিবেদন এই সব দয়ালু মরে হইয়া সদয় মোর লাগি প্রভুপদে করিবে বিনয় এসব প্রসাদে মিলি শ্রী প্রভুর পায় প্রভু কৃপা বিনা মো রাজ্য নাহি ভাই Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami very humble in this chapter, Dadas chapter, 12th chapter, and Madhya Leela, very humble. First, he glorifies to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. All glories to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, all glories to Nityananda, all glories to Advaita Acharya and all the devotees of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and especially Jai Jai Srivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. And please all you give me mercy and Shakti, then I can to glorify the sweet pastimes of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So now Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami, after hankering the mercy from all the devotees, then he explained the Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he came in Jagannath Puri, then he also delivered Sarva Bhattacharya, then he went to South India, meet with Rai Ramananda and others devotee. After his traveling or pilgrimage place of South, he returned back in Jagannath Puri. When Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu returned back, that time King Prataprudra Gajapati, and he eager to meet with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And first King Prataprudra, he asked to Sarva Bhattacharya, how can I meet with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? Patak hoite patri dilo sarvabhauma thai, Prabhu agga hoy jodi dekhibare pai. That time King Prataprudra, he was staying his kingdom in Katak. That time he was staying in Katak, his kingdom, Rajdhani. And he wrote one letter to Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya. And then Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, he asked to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, but Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu denied his prayer. Bhattacharya je likhlo, Prabhu agga na hoilo, punaravi rajdhari patri pathailo. And when Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu refused the application of King Prataprudra to meet with him, then again King he also wrote another letter to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and all his ডিভোটিস। প্রভুর নিকটে আছে যত ভক্তগণ, মোর লাগিত সবারই করি করিহ নিবেদন। কিং প্রতাপরুদ্র হি রোট, everybody have to pray my obeisances unto lotus feet of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and how will he pleased with me, and I can take darshan his lotus feet. সেই দয়ালু মোরে হইয়া সদয়, মোর লাগি প্রভুপদে করিয়া বিনয়। তাহার প্রসাদে মিলে প্রভু পায়, প্রভু কৃপাও বিনা মো রাজ্য নাহি ভাই। কিং প্রতাপরুদ্র very humble, he wrote, if I would not receive the mercy of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, then maybe I will give up my kingdom. যদি মোরে কৃপা না করিবে গৌর হরি, রাজ্য ছাড়ি যুগ হইব ভিখারি। ভট্টাচার্য পত্রী দেখি চিন্তিত হইল, ভক্তগণ পাশে গেলা সেই পত্রী লইয়া। সবারে মিলিয়া কহিল রাজ বিবরণ, পিছে সেই পত্রী সবারে করাইল দর্শন। পত্রী দেখি সবার মনে হইল বিস্ময়, প্রভু পদে গজপতি এত ভক্তি হয়। Then again King Prataprudra, he wrote this letter, and very humble. If Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu would not give me mercy and take darshan his lotus feet, then maybe I will give up my kingdom and I will become yogi and become what is called bhikhari, beggar. Those who are going to one place and begging, that is called, what is the English term? Mendicant. Mendicant, means those bhikharis are not staying one place, just taking their luggage, small luggage, going one place, staying, then after a few days they left their place and going to another place. Not refuge, this is called mendicant people. They have so many, what is called, baggage, this baggage, 4, 5, not one baggage, there are a lot of baggage, and this, some devotee also look nice as a mendicant. Understand? They are to hide their luggage, maybe 20 kilos they put in the checking, and maybe 40 kilos they are taking hand luggage. And 3, 4, 5 bags and hiding, then they sometimes they also catch and refuse. Stupid nonsense. So in the same way, King Prataprudra, he wrote this letter to Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, maybe I will become, what is say, mendicant, and become very beggar, going to one place. রাজ্য ছাড়ি যুগ হইব ভিখারি। ভট্টাচার্য পত্রী দেখি চিন্তিত হইল, ভক্তগণ পাশে গেলা সেই পত্রী দেখাইল। Then Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, when he received this letter, and he become very upset, and he thinking what to do now, and he asked to all the devotees who are very close to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and so this letter. সবারে মিলিয়া কহিও রাজ বিবরণ, পিছে সেই পত্রী সবারে করাইব দর্শন। And Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, very humble, he asked to the devotees first to explain the situation of king, especially King Prataparudra's mental condition. Understand? How King Prataparudra, he has so much love and affection with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. প্রভুপদে গজপতি এত ভক্তি হয়, তবে সে কেহ প্রভু তারে কভু না মিলি। প্রভুপদে গজপতির এত ভক্তি হয়, তবে কে প্রভু তারে না প্রভু না মিলিবে। আমি সব কহি যদি দুঃখ সে মানিবে। Then he told, if I tell, maybe King, then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu will not accept these things, and then he will be unhappy. सार्वभौम कहे सबे चलो एक बार मिलिते ना कोई बराज व्यवहार. And then Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya very humble asked all the devotees, may we will go with all with together and meet with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and request and to request to him how King Prataprudra is your pure devotee and he wants to meet with you. एतो बोली सबे गला महाप्रभु स्थाने कहिते उन्मुख सबे ना कहे वचन प्रभु के की कहिते सबर आगमन देखिते कहिते चाह ना कह की कारण. Then all devotees they came in front of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in Gambhira, and but they did not speak these things. And but Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu asked, hey, why have you come here? I think you want to speak something. प्रभु कहे की कहिते सबार आगमन देखिते कहिते चाह ना कह की कारण. I'm thinking all you want to speak something, but you are not speaking. What is the reason? Then नित्यानंद कहे तमा चाहि निवेदिते ना कहिले रहिते नारी कहिते भय चित्ते. Then Nityananda Prabhu told Prabhu, I want to speak. They want to speak and to pray unto your lotus feet. Na kahite nari kahite bhai chitte, because all they are afraid to speak with you. This যোগ্যা যোগ্য তোমার সব না চাহি নিবেদিতে তোমার নাম মিলিলে রাজা চাহে যোগী হইতে. কানে মুদ্রা লই মুই হইব ভিখারি রাজভোগ নহে চিত্তে বিনা গৌর হরি. Then Nityananda Prabhu continued, told to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Prabhu, which is good or bad, I don't know, but what king he wrote and he expressed his heart, just I am telling to you. सब लोग डर गए महाप्रभु से. नित्यानंद प्रभु बोलना शुरू कर दे. क्या बोले? किंग प्रतापरुद्र व्हाट डिड ही राइट? क्या लिखा? काने मुद्रा लोई मोई होइब भिखारी राजभोग नहे चित्ते बिना गौर हरि. King wrote, that means King Prataprudra wrote, if Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu would not accept me, his servant, and give me darshan his lotus feet, maybe I will give up my kingdom and become complete beggar, bhikhari. Rajbhog nahi chitte bina gaura hari. Without gaura hari, I cannot enjoy this Rajbhog. That means the kingdom. देखि बसे मुख चंद्र नैन भरिया धरी बसे पाद पद्म हृदय तुलिया. King continued, he wrote in this letter, I have to take darshan the lotus feet of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and keep his lotus feet in my Hriday Mandir, temple of my heart. यद्यपि सुनिया प्रभुर कमल है मन तथापि बाहिरे कहे निष्ठुर वचन. Though Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu heart very soft when he heard this katha, but externally he became very hard, निष्ठुर, very strict. What did he say, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? क्या बोले महाप्रभु? तुम्हारी इच्छा यही हमारे लया राजा के मिलियो यही कटक कटकते गया. परमार्थक ठाकुर लोके करिबे निंदन लोके रहो दामोदर करिबे भत्सन. তোমার সবার আজ্ঞামি নামি লীল রাজা রে দামোদর কহে যাবে মিলিবে সে তারে। Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu very hard at it, and he also told, that means all your desire, I have to meet with king in his palace kingdom in Katak. If I meet with king, then what is my paramarthas, the spiritual life? Even people will be criticized to me. What will say to the others? Even Damodar has not served Damodar, and it's called দামোদর করিবে ভৎসন। তোমার সবার আমি নামিলে রাজা রে। দামোদর কহে যাবে যাবে তবে মিলি তবে তারে। Damodar, and he always criticize him if I meet with king. Okay, if Damodar, he will give permission, maybe I will go and meet with him. দামোদর কহে তুমি স্বতন্ত্র ঈশ্বর, কর্তব্য কর্তব্য সব তোমার গোচর। एक सेकेंड, दामोदर पंडित because sometimes Damodar, he also Damodar Pandit, not Sarv Damodar, this is Damodar Pandit. লোক নিন্দা দূরে থাকুক, আমার নিকটে যে দামোদর পণ্ডিত বসে আছেন তাহার কি যাইতে নিস্তার পাওয়া কঠিন। Maybe he will criticize to me. যদি দামোদর পণ্ডিত, and if Damodar Pandit give me permission, then maybe I will go. Because Damodar Pandit always he also protect to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's sannyas dharma. Then Damodar Pandit heard it. দামোদর কহে তুমি স্বতন্ত্র ঈশ্বর, কর্তব্য কর্তব্য সব তোমার গোচর। দামোদর কহে তুমি স্বতন্ত্র ঈশ্বর, কর্তব্য কর্তব্য সব তোমার গোচর। আমি কোন ক্ষুদ্র যে তোমাকে বিধি দিব, আপনি মিলিবে তারে তাহাও দেখিব। তাহা তোমার রাজা তোমার স্নেহ করে, তুমি স্নেহ বশ তার স্নেহ করাবে তো তারে তোমার পরশ। যদ্যপি ঈশ্বর তুমি পরম স্বতন্ত্র, তথাপি স্বভাবে হয় প্রেম পরতন্ত্র। And Damodar Pandit, he told, you are supreme personality of God, is and Bhagavan, and completely independent, Swatantra. And what is good, what is bad, this is depend on you. And I am very insignificant and living entities. How possible I give you rules and regulation to you? And if you meet with king, then just I can see, Rajare तुम्हारे स्नेह करे तुम्ही स्नेहवास. King also, you have a king, he has love and affection with you, and you completely control their love and affection. and you are Ishar. So you are completely independent, स्वतंत्र। And यद्यपि ईश्वर तुम्हें परम स्वतंत्र, तथापि स्वभावी है प्रेम तर परतंत्र। Though you are king, though you are Ishar, Bhagavan, but Bhagavan always also completely independent, depend on love and affection with the devotee. Prem paratantra, you have love and affection with the devotee. নিত্যানন্দ নিত্যানন্দ কহে নিত্যানন্দ কহে ওইছে হয় কোন জন যে তোমারে কহে কর কর রাজা রাজ দর্শন। দে নিত্যানন্দ প্রভু also very humble he told, ওইছে হয় কোন জন যে তোমারে কহে রাজ করো রাজ দর্শন। This is depend on you. You take darshan to king or not. But Raja king has so much anurag, love and affection with you. So you can decide. Nityananda. কিন্তু অনুরাগীর লোকের স্বভাবে ঘয়, ইষ্ট না পাইলে নিজ প্রাণ সে ছাড়য়। যাজ্ঞিক ব্রাহ্মণী সব তাহাতে প্রমাণ, কৃষ্ণ লাগি পতি আগে ছাড়িলে প্রাণ। এক যুক্তি আছে যদি কর অবধান, তুমি না মানিলে তারে রহে রহে তার প্রাণ। এত বলি বহির্বাস যদি কৃপা করি, তাহা পায়া প্রাণ রাখে তোমার আশা ধরি। Continue, Nityananda Prabhu, he told, a king has so much anurag, deep attachment with you, and maybe you will not give darshan to king, maybe king will give up his life here and pran tag. Because this is our scriptures explain. ये अनुरागी लोकेर स्वभाव एक है, इष्ट ना पाइले निज प्राण से छाड़य। Who has love and affection, if he not would meet with his Ishtadeva, he will give up his body. যাজ্ঞিক ব্রাহ্মণী সব তাহার প্রমাণ, কৃষ্ণ লাগি পতি আগে ছাড়িলে এক প্রাণ। Then Nityananda Prabhu also explained in Srimad Bhagavatam, the wives of Jagik Brahman, and when they would not meet with Krishna, they also give up their life here. যাজ্ঞিক ব্রাহ্মণী সব তাহাতে প্রমাণ, কৃষ্ণ লাগি পতি প্রতি আগে ছাড়িলে এক প্রাণ। এক যুক্তি আছে যদি কর অবধান, তুমি না মিলিয়ে তারে রহে তার প্রাণ। দে নিত্যানন্দ প্রভু give Nityananda gave advice to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Prabhu, if you not want to meet with King Prataprudra, so listen my one advice. তুমি না মিলিয়ে তারে রহে তার প্রাণ। But how he will keep his life here? So listen, এক বহির্বাস যদি দেহ কৃপা করি, তাহা পাইয়া প্রাণ রাখে তোমার আশা ধরি। So you may to offer your one বহির্বাস kapra, বহির্বাস cloth. Then maybe king will be think this is the mercy of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. In this way, he will keep his life here. প্রভু কয়ে তুমি সব পরম বিদ্বান, যেই ভালো হয় সেই কর সমাধান। Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told Nityananda, what you want, you can do, because you are very intelligent. প্রভু কয়ে তুমি সব পরম বিদ্বান, যেই ভালো হয় সেই কর সমাধান। In this way, he also what is called সমাধান করো, মানে সলিউশন। তবে নিত্যানন্দ গোসাই গোবিন্দের পাশ, মাগিয়া লইল প্রভুর এক বহির্বাস। সেই বহির্বাস সার্বভৌম পাশে দিলা, সার্বভৌম সেই বস্ত্র রাজারে পাঠাইল। Then Nityananda Prabhu asked to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's personal servant Govinda and asked one Bahirbas sannyas cloth from Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Then that Bahirbas, then he gave to Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya. Then Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, he sent this cloth to King Prataparudra. वस्त्र पया राजार हईल आनंदित मन प्रभु रूप करी करे वस्त्र पूजन. When king got the Bahirbas of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, then King Prataparudra became very pleased and thinking this is mercy of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and he kept that Bahirbas on his very higher place and do pujan, Vastra pujan. रामानंद राय जबे दक्षिण हईते आईला प्रभु संगे रहीते राजा के निवेदिला तबे राजा संभ्रमे तहा आज्ञा दिल आपनी मिलते लागी कहिते लागिल महाप्रभुर महाकृपा करे न तुम्हारे मोरे मिलिबारे अवश्य साधिबे तहारे. Then Ramananda, he also returned back from south and he met with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Tabe Raja Santahare, and also and King Prataparudra also asked to Rai Ramananda how he will meet with Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. तबे राजा संतोषे ताहरे आज्ञा दिल आपनी मिलन लगी कहिते लागिल. Then Rai Ramananda, he also told to King Prataparudra how did he meet with Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. महाप्रभुर महाकृपा करे न तुम्हारे मिलिबारे अवश्य साधिबे तहारे. Rai Ramananda told King Prataparudra, please keep patient. Mahaprabhu is called the embodiment of mercy, Kripa ke Ghanamurti. Just to keep patient, and Lord Chaitanya one day must he will be meet with you. एक संगे दुई जन क्षेत्र जबे आइला रामानंद राय तबे प्रभु रे मिलिला प्रभुपदे प्रेम भक्ति जानाइल राजार प्रसन्न हইয়া ওইছে कहे बार बार. Then Rai Ramananda, he met with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and then Rai Ramananda, he also told to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and King Prataparudra so much love and affection with him. राजमंत्री रामानंद व्यवहारे निपुण राजपीति कही द्रव्याइल प्रभुर मन उत्कंठाय प्रतापरुद्ध नारी रही बारे रामानंद साधिलेन प्रभुरे मिली बारे. रामानंद प्रभु पाई कहिल निवेदन एक बार प्रतापरुद्रे देखाओ चरण. Rai Ramananda, he is very intelligent minister of King Prataparudra. For this regard, his very sweet words used to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. First, he offered many kinds of what is called bhet, gift. What did he? What King Prataparudra he sent? First, he offered the things. This is the process, not direct to speak. And so King what is his name? Rai Ramananda, first he offered many kinds of gifts to Mahaprabhu. And Rajmantri Ramananda Vyavhare Nipun Rajpriti Kahi Drabbaila Prabhu Ruman Utkanthate Mahaprataparudra Nari Rahibare Ramananda Sadhilen Prabhura Milibare. Then King Pratap, then Rai Ramananda, very sweet words, eloquent words he used to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. How King Prataparudra soft-hearted and too much love and affection with him. Yeah, because he is very intelligent and minister. Understand these things. When that is called glorification. And as like when in Vrindavan, in Srimati Radhika did man, and that time the Sakhis of Krishna Paksha Gopis, they also use many sweet words to Srimati Radhika, or Srimati Radhika Sakhis sometimes also glorification about Krishna. Yeah, this is the that is called the Duti Karya. Duti's Karya means Duti, understand? Messenger. Messenger's duty is there how to glorification with the hero and heroine. Use many, maybe sometimes eloquent words, but it's not true. Sometimes very sweet, eloquent words and using. Then the what is called Nayak Naika heart completely heart melt. In the same way, Rai Ramananda, he is very expert to speak. Especially Rai Ramananda is very intelligent, and especially he was and Sahitik. Sahitik means what is called? He used many poetical words, literature word, Sahitik word, and sweet and eloquent words this way. And here is also explained. Utkantate Prataprudra Nare Rahivare. And he used this word. The king Prataprudra is very eager to meet with you. Without you, maybe he will give up his body. Utkantate Prataprudra Nahe Rahivare. Ramananda Sadilen Prabhure Milivare. In this way, Ramananda, he used many sweet, eloquent words and literature words, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. But so Ramananda very humble also asked, just you also show your lotus feet to King Prataprudra. प्रभु कहे रामानंद कह विचारिया राजा के मिलाते जुआई सन्यासी होइया. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu very strict. Understand? प्रभु कहे रामानंद कह विचारिया राजा के मिलिते जुआई सन्यासी होइया. Do you know this sannyasi? How possible? Hey, I am a sannyasi. How possible I meet with king? Easily correct. Prabhu Kai Ramananda, Kaha Vichare Ramananda, you consider yourself. And how possible a sannyasi will meet with king? Sannyasi always would be a nirapeksha, independent. Nirapeksha na hoile dharma rakhana na jaye. If you not in indifference, nirvaksha, you cannot to protect your religious dharma. प्रभु कहे रामानंद कह विचारिया राजा के मिली तेजुआई सन्यासी होइया. राजार मिलने भिक्षु के दुई कुल नाश परलोक रुह लोके करे उपहास. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told Ramananda, listen, I am sannyasi, then I completely what beggar. Why will I meet with king? And if I will meet with king, then I lose my spirituality. Paramartha. And not only this, loke kare upahas. Even me, people also joked and laughed with me. Hasi पंजाब करेंगे लोग. रामानंद कहे तुम्हें ईश्वर स्वतंत्र कार्य तुम्हार भय तुम्हें नह परतंत्र. Then Ramananda told, Prabhu, you are supreme personality of God, is saying Bhagavan, Ishwar Paratantra. Then you have no loka bhai. You are not fear for others people. Okay. Tumi naha paratantra. You are not dependent on others. Prabhu kahe ami manusya ashrame sannasi काय मनोवाक्ये व्यवहारे भय भयवासी. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, I am sannyasi, I am taking sannyas in ashram sannyas. I am human being. So for this regard, I have to follow these rules of ashrama, sannyas ashram. শুক্লবস্তে মসি বিন্দু জইছে না লুকায় সন্ন্যাসীর অল্প ছিদ্র সর্বলোকে গায়. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu continued told, hey Ramananda, listen, and with a complete white cloth, but what coming one very small black ink, then everybody notice that the black spot of the white cloth. कपड़ा आपकी सुंदर सफेद है, यहाँ पर एक बूंद स्याही की बूंद लगा दो, सारे कपड़ा सुंदर है वो, किंतु कहाँ पर आंख कहाँ पर जाएगा? Where is the black spot? महाप्रभु वही कह रहे हैं, सन्नासी अल्प छिद्र सर्वलोके गाय. That means everybody will criticize the small fault of the sannyasis. প্রায় কহে যত পাপী করিয়াছ অব্যাহতি, ঈশ্বর সেবক তোমার ভক্ত গজপতি. Continue, Rai Ramananda told Prabhu, you also deliver all the sinner papi. But King Prataprudra is your best devotee, and he is your servant, because our scriptures explain, king he is the representative of the servant of Lord. राजा की जो है, भगवान की जो है सर्वश्रेष्ठ सेवक माना जाता है. राजा कभी नहीं सोचते हैं ये मैं कंट्रोलर, आई एम द सुप्रीम कंट्रोलर. आज जैसे प्रधानमंत्री होते हैं, प्रधानमंत्री व्हाट डू यू से, आई एम द प्रधान सेवक. मोदी ने कहा कि नहीं कहा? This is his humbleness also, and this is true also. He is the best servant of public. जनसाधारण के सेवक है, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ द पीपल, बाय द पीपल, फॉर द पीपल. So in the same way, ईश्वर सेवक तुम्हार भक्त गजपति. So King Prataprudra, he is the best servant of Lord, and he also your servant also. प्रभु कहे पूर्व जैसे दुग्धेर कलश, सरा बिंदु पाते के हो ना करे परस. Then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu again he is giving example. If the milk full of the कलश माने pitcher, घड़ा full of the milk, very nice beautiful condensed milk, but it's just one drop of the sura bindu. Sura means madira, and one drop of alcohol, and that no one will touch that the milk, and that milk will not offer to Lord also. यदि पवित्र दुग्ध, एक घड़ा पूर्ण दुग्ध है, पूर्ण घड़ा भरा हुआ है दूध में, और केवल एक बूंद यदि उसमें अल्कोहल पड़ जाए, that milk you cannot offer to Lord, and no one goes to drink, because alcohol completely what untouchable, pavitra. Western people, they are drinking so much alcohol. What he are saying, है 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 तो हाँ प्रभु कहे पूर्ण जैसे दुग्धेर कलश सुरा बिंदु पाते के हो ना करे परस यद्यपि प्रताप रुद्र सर्वगुणमय हमारे मलिन कैल एक राजा नाम then Mahaprabhu explained and though King Prataprudra he has so many good qualifications and Sarva Gunavan but one his faults what is that his name is King Prataprudra this is the king Raj this is his word one drop of alcohol तथापि तुम्हारे यदि महा आग्रह है तबे आमी मिला हो तुम्हें ताहार तनय then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told okay if you want and we have so much eager to meet with him but maybe and you can bring his son then I can meet with the son of King Prataprudra understand राजा प्रतापरुद्र के पुत्र के छोटा पुत्र के साथ मिल सकते हैं ये तो आत्मा जयते पुत्र अच्छा हाँ पिता पुत्रेर दैहिक धातुगत अभेद because there are no different son and father because according to the Shastra explain this way आत्मा वही जायते पुत्र यही शास्त्र वाणी पुत्रे मिलन जानो मिलिबे अपनी and if Chaitanya Mahaprabhu meet with son of Prataprudra then king will be very happy because Shastra is saying Atma bhai jayate putra but there are no difference son and father तबे राय जाई सब राजा रे कहिला प्रभु आज्ञाय तार पुत्र लया आइलो in this way Rai Ramananda and he told to King Prataprudra and he brought King's son and meet with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu सुंदर राजार पुत्र श्यामल बरन किशोर बयस दीर्घ कमल नयन पीताम्बर धरे अंगे रत्न आभरण श्री कृष्ण स्मरणे तेह होइल उद्दीपन तहाँ देखी महाप्रभु कृष्ण मृति होइल प्रेमावशे तारे मिली कहिते लागिल The king of Prataprudra very nice beautiful and attractive his youthful form Kishore Vyas very beautiful and attractive and his complexion every prince complexion is blackish Samal Baran very nice beautiful long eyes as like lotus and he also decorate with very nice beautiful yellow and cloth and also decorate with many kinds of ratna abharan ornaments when Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu saw this son of King Prataprudra then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's heart completely intoxicated and so much stimulation coming in his heart uddipan ताहा देखी महाप्रभु कृष्ण स्मृति होइल प्रेम बसे तारे मिली कहिते लागिलो in this way Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu embraced the king's son यही महाभागवत तुम्हारा दर्शने भजनंदन स्मृति है सर्वजने हितार्थ হইলাম আমি ইহার দর্শনে এত বলি কইলে তারে পুনঃ আলিঙ্গনে प्रभु स्पर्शे राजपुत्रे হইল প্রেমাবেশ हेद कंप अश्रु स्तंभ पुलक विशेष when Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu embraced the son of King Prataprudra. Eh? Then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, eh? very pleased. Eh? And when Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu embraced to him, King, son of King Prataprudra, then all kinds of ecstatic mood. Then is Seda. Seda means sweat dropping from his body. Kampa, body start to trembling. Eh? And tears rolling down. And some ecstatic mood. Ashasati vikar manifested. Krishna Krishna kahe nache karaye rodan. Tar bhagya dekhi slaga kare bhaktagan. And when Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu embraced the son of King Prataprudra, then the king of son Prataprudra start to chant Krishna Nam, Krishna Krishna, and start to dance. And he's going Krishna Krishna kahe nache kare rodan, and start to cry also. Tar bhagya dekhi slaga kare bhaktagan. When devotees saw this boy, fortune, and all they also are and thinking how he is fortune, good fortune. तबे महाप्रभु तारे धैर्य कराइल नित्य आसी हमारे मिलियो এই আজ্ঞা দিল. In this way, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu pacified that boy. Just Mahaprabhu touched the body of the son of King Prataprudra, and Krishna Prem manifested in his heart. Look at this. And then Mahaprabhu pacified. Mahaprabhu said, maybe he will die. So Mahaprabhu again also had pacified. Okay. And Mahaprabhu told, every day you used to come and meet with me. Putrer dasan alingane rajar Prabhu Parsha. In this way, King Prataprudra, he saw a little bit far away what kinds of ecstatic mood manifested in the heart of his son. Then King Prataprudra became very happy. Then Vidaya Laya Rai Aila Putra Rajputre Laya Rajsu Paila Putrer Chesta Dekhiya Putre Alingan Kari Pramavishti Hoya Saksat Parsajana Mahaprabhu Paila. Then when King Prataprudra embraced his son, then he is realizing that he is direct also meeting with meeting with Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. সেই হইতে ভগবান রাজরানন্দন প্রভু ভক্ত মধ্যে হইলা একজন. In this way, this fortune and King's son is the one among the most devotees of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. এই মত মহাপ্রভুর ভক্তগণ সঙ্গে নিরন্তর ক্রীড়া করে সংকীর্তন রঙ্গে. आचार्यादि भक्त करे प्रभुर निमंत्रण ताहा ताहा भिक्षा करे लया भक्तगण. এই মত নানা রঙ্গে কতদিন গেলা জগন্নাথের রথযাত্রা নিকট আইলা. In this way, few days passed, then Jagannath Rathayatra almost coming very close to Jagannath Rathayatra. प्रथमे काशी मिश्रे प्रभु बोलाइला परिछार पात्र सब सार्वभौम बोलाइला अनिला. तीन जने पासी प्रभु हसिया कहिला गुंडीचा मार्जन सेवा मागी नीला. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu very humble told to Kashi Mishra and Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya and the Parisha means who is the supreme, what is the controller of the Gundicha temple. And Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu very humble asked, I want to clean the temple of Gundicha. This is my service. Please give me. পরীক্ষা কই আমি সব সেবক তোমার যে তোমার ইচ্ছা সেই কর্তব্য আমার. বিশেষ আজ্ঞায় রাজা লইয়া হইয়াছেন আমারে, প্রভুর আজ্ঞা যেই সেই শীঘ্র করিবারে। Then Padisha, very humble, he told, everything belongs to you, and especially King Prataprudra, he gave me direct order. Whatever you have need, just you express your heart, then we have to arrange everything for you. তোমার যোগ্য সেবা নহে মন্দির মার্জন, এক এক লীলা করো যে তোমার মার্জন। Then Padisha, the supreme controller of the Gundicha temple, he very humble told Prabhu, this is not your duty to clean the temple of Gundicha, but you want, you are Swatantra, independent. What do you want? No one can talk to you. What do you want, you can do. তোমার যোগ্য সেবা নহে মন্দির মার্জন, এক এক লীলা করো সে তোমার মন। কিন্তু ঘট্ট সম্মার্জনী বহুত চাহিয়ে, আজ্ঞা দিও আজি সব ইহা আনি দিয়ে। Then he told, if you give order to me, then maybe I will be arrange all kinds of what is called ingredients, samagri, to clean the Gundicha temple, such as marjani, that the broom, broomsticks, and also clay pot, and the other cloths, and different things. What you want? নতুন 100 ঘর শত মার্জনী, পরীক্ষা আনিয়া দিল প্রভু ইচ্ছা জানি। আর দিনে প্রভাতে লইয়া ভক্তগণ, শ্রীহস্তে সবার অঙ্গে লেপিলা চন্দন। Then next day Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu asked all to the devotees, and first Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu glorify all the devotees and offer the garland to all the Vaishnavas, Vaishnav Sevan. And put the sandalwood paste in the forehead of all the devotees. Sahaste sabare ange lepila chandan, haste dila sabare egek sammarjani. And Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu offered one broomstick in the hand of all the devotees. Sab gon laya Prabhu cholila apani, Gundicha mandire gela korite marjan, prathame marjan laiya korilo sodhan। ভিতর মন্দির উপর সকল মাজিলা, সিংহাসন মাঝি পুনঃ স্থাপন করিলা। ছোট বড় মন্দির কইল মার্জন শোধন, পাছে তৈছে শোধ সদিল শ্রী জগমোহন। চারিদিকে শত ভক্ত সম্মার্জনী করে, আপনি শোধনে প্রভু শিখানো সবারে। Maybe next katha will be discussed how Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu cleaned the Gundicha temple and what is the significance of the Gundicha temple. Now time is over. Gaur Premanande Hari Hari, Bolo Sajanandani Gaur Hari ki Jai Jai Shri Ram. Okay.